students. Today I am going to explain one of the questions from class 10th physics from previous year paper, and such type of questions are commonly they are asking. So let us see what is the question and how to solve. So it is given a piece of wire of resistance R is cut lengthwise into three identical parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then the value of R upon R dash is. So here I have already solved this for you. Let's suppose the wire is having a length L and the total resistance is R. Now if you cut it into three identical parts, each part has a resistance R by 3, R by 3 and R by 3. As you can see, because R is directly proportional to length. So if you cut it equally, the resistance will also divide it equally. After that they are connected in parallel. So you can say when you connect them in parallel R by 3, R by 3 and R by 3, apply the formula of parallel combination 1 upon RAB is equal to 1 upon R by 3, 1 upon again R by 3, 1 upon R by 3. So it will go in the numerator 3 by R plus 3 by R plus 3 by R. Now 3 plus 3 plus 3, that will be 9 by R. So finally if you take the reciprocal, RAB is equal to R by 9 ohm. Now here we said that R dash is the new resistance. So R dash, that is your RAB upon R is equal to 1 upon 9. So the final answer is 1 by 9. Okay, thank you.